Now, let's take a look at an event which could create some trading volatility for next week as we begin out the new week in the trading session. We're looking ahead to Thursday's Bank of England interest rate decision, which could stir some interesting trades. No changes expected, which is not what Rishi Sunak wants, because he would like to see an interest rate cut before the elections at the beginning of July. That's not likely to happen. The Bank of England has only really moved in the last several years since COVID, only at a time it's produced the economic reports, and that comes at the beginning of August. And it's not even looking necessarily as though we're going to get an interest rate cut come August either, because of the concerns about the outlook for wages, which continue to see new or holding on to recent levels of gains. So the date at which it next produces economic reports after August is then November, which is more looking likely. Now, I picked this out as a trading event that could cause some volatility, because I think it could well be that we might well see some commentary around this and the intentions of the Bank of England. As much as they might want to cut interest rates, it's unlikely to be next Thursday. But I think this is going to be an interesting area of the market to watch out for. This is sterling against the euro. Quite often people trade euro sterling, but I wanted to show you it this way round because I wanted to show you the strength of sterling. This is the better way to understand it. This has really been generated by the disturbance in the euro area markets because of the French election that's being called, which is due for the beginning of July. Now, we've seen recent highs for sterling, not seen in this market since August 2022. And my best guess is especially if we see the Bank of England come through with a statement to suggest that there won't be any interest rate cuts until August, possibly even November. And I think this area at 119.90 is an area of interest to watch out for if you're long on sterling against the euro. If you're long at this level at 118.83, your stop goes underneath the 118 level with a view to a price target of 119.90. If it hits that, that'll be the highest level we've seen for the euro against the sterling against the euro, not seen since the 7th of March 2022. Go back even further, you've got all these extra levels that we've got on this. The extreme lows that we had were the COVID lows at 105.26, and of course this dotted circle I've got here was the Brexit vote. So sterling recovering with some previously lost ground against the euro. And I suspect if we see a hawkish statement from the Bank of England, we could well get that 119.90 level as the new price target.